How to fix Press the Fear is crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and verify the game files quickly. Once this is completed, you can close Steam. Next, you want to open up your browser and navigate to the link in the description below. And from here, you want to download and install the 86 and the 64 installer for the redistributables. Now, once you finish this installation, it will require a computer restart. So make sure to do that. The next thing you'll need to do is update your GPU drivers. So you can get the NVIDIA app if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Otherwise, you can get the AMD software. And from here, download and install the latest available driver update for your GPU. And once you're done, all you need to do is launch Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then just open up the game from your library. And that should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.